Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Today we're making pina colada the easiest way using the colada mix. And then nearby as simple as ABC. You ain't no and then you pina colada simple way. Simple. When you pineapple with you. Now, when you know, say fast action. When you're in your visitors, you got up 1, 2, 3, bum. Don't waste the time, cry. I just say, why you pina colada? Okay, into near my baby, you soon a very simple. One eye the doubt. Pina colada mix. It's one eye the doubt. Into here condensed milk, coconut milk. No. And running. Na pineapple me blended the fries simple. Unibia anything American is simple sharp on yes packet coconut and pineapple. So timid satui pe tino colada no this one and I'm ice cubes with it. Tiana and baby yusu. Your baby is okay. So this you can get it from the supermarket, and this one to any grocery store or supermarkets. Just 1, 2, 3, you are done. I pour some here and I put it in the freezer. Okay, and then say made the ice cubes, regular water ice cubes being it account. I made them make lemon that's it. Okay, this is a medeme use make a transfer account. I said water in soup. See, here a crabby. Okay, it is a medeme cherry natum. A cup umbrella. And in Marian off camera because you say, look at that. Oh, look at that. What do you say? Beautiful. And the second one, any ever been. Until the ice. Ego. And I may want me a pineapple no so and so never freezer. It's a unique juice beyond bear now pineapple no kwa. Here and say mix no colada mix no and running. It is saying medeme line. It is saying now they will mix no. If you mix na come. Okay. This is saying me the colada maybe a good plate ni the glass nano nesim. So open so I bet to me use lemon maybe now they are here. Okay. If you had me were coconuts, I will have say flakes. Tineno some maybe sim. I just say I just found. Okay. Bam. Ay. Chrono bay đèn kasa. Yung colada nini. Ang sa ninyo na ice 19. I had to say slushy kakra. Sunday in tea melting too. This is saying na me the me umbrella no so be so. Tea we come up. Tea and sprinkle coconut in the kakra and go training. Oh, come on. Hey. Why never no more? Why never no more? Why never no more? Once I find you winning and running. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give thumbs up for your sister. Love you all.